Customers love when brands list and sell their own products on Amazon. To encourage eligible brands to sell directly, we offer an exclusive set of tools unavailable to other selling partners. These tools can help your brand improve conversion, drive discoverability, and protect intellectual property. Enrolling in Amazon Brand Registry is your first step to unlocking these benefits. Let's look at some of the brand-exclusive tools for creating high-quality product listings. A+ content can make your products stand out with rich text and images in the product description section of the detail page. Adding A+ content can help increase sales by connecting customers with your brand story and diving deep into product features, help newly launched products gain traction, and help increase sales. A few of the brand-exclusive tools to help you build brand awareness. Amazon Brand Analytics can use powerful data to help you improve your business, analyzing aggregated customer search and purchase behavior, search terms, demographics, and more. Help you protect your intellectual property and combat counterfeit issues, whether or not you choose to sell on Amazon. Brand Registry helps you protect your intellectual property with accurate brand representation, powerful search tools, and proactive brand protection to create a trusted experience for Amazon customers. You can also use Transparency, a new item-level tracing service to associate each unit you manufacture with a unique code, helping to protect your brand and customers from counterfeiting. It's never been easier to get your brand in front of millions of customers. Take the first step toward becoming a trusted household name and register today. Build your brand with Amazon. Ever shopped online and opened your package to find something you weren't quite expecting? With millions of products already on Amazon and new products being added every day, we rely on selling partners to help us make sure customers understand exactly what they're ordering when they look at an Amazon detail page. To help keep all these products straight, we use product identifiers, or product IDs. Product IDs are part of a system of unique identifiers called Global Trade Item Numbers, or GTINs. You're probably familiar with some of them. UPCs, ISBNs, EANs, and JANs are all acceptable forms of GTIN. If you've had a barcode scanned in a checkout line, you've seen them in action. When you list a product on Amazon, your product ID is confirmed against the GS1 database. GS1 standards are the most widely used in the world for product identification. If your product doesn't have a product ID, you have two options. You can purchase a GTIN from gs1us.org or apply for an exemption in Seller Central. An exemption will allow you to list your product without a product ID, but we'll need a few things first. Make sure you have the product category and brand name handy. You'll also need either a support letter from the brand or images of your product if you're the brand owner. Once you've got that squared away, it'll be time to get your products listed, providing a seamless shopping experience from product discovery to the customer's front door. Who's selling in Amazon stores? A better question might be, who isn't? Millions of selling partners help us give shoppers more of what they love every single day. And Amazon offers you the tools to build your business. There's so many ways to sell. Reach millions of customers in over 180 countries as an Amazon seller. Get an invite to be a vendor with Amazon distributing your products full-time. Serve up unique products to Prime customers making their weekly grocery purchase. Apply to join our family of curated private brand manufacturers. Launch your crowd-funded or VC-powered startup faster. Sell handcrafted goods with artisans from over 80 countries. Engage with B2B customers using a specialized suite of tools. Craft products with custom text or images. Offer certified, refurbished, and pre-owned products. Create branded t-shirt designs and earn royalties with no upfront investment. You can even offer professional services like house cleaning or product assembly to customers in your area. We call all of these entrepreneurs selling partners for a reason. They help us ensure vast selection, competitive pricing, and convenient delivery for shoppers around the world. B2B, B2C, whatever your business may be, we'd love for you to grow with us. Build your business with Amazon.
Welcome to our training on shipping options in the Amazon store. Today we'll go over your shipping options as an Amazon seller and what they mean for you and your customers. Let's start with Merchant Fulfilled Shipping, also known as MFN or Seller Fulfilled Shipping. With MFN, you're responsible for packing, prepping and arranging transit and delivery for your orders. You'll also be responsible for customer service, including managing returns and refunds. Using MFN means you'll need to manage your shipping settings. Maintaining your shipping settings can help you avoid performance issues which can affect account health. High performance and good account health are keys to success in the Amazon store. To best prepare for shipping products yourself, you can check your shipping settings to ensure they're customized to fit your business needs. Being aware of your settings and customizing them to fit your preferences and business operations can help you avoid late shipments and other issues. To begin customizing, select Shipping Settings from the Settings drop-down menu in the top right on Seller Central. Here you'll find Settings and Templates. You can also edit your default address. You can create and assign them to specific listings to provide their necessary shipping options, and make changes to shipping options, regions, and address types you'd like to provide service to. Sellers can also offer free economy and expedited shipping. As you gain experience selling in the Amazon store, you can gain access to premium shipping options. To offer premium shipping options, you'll also need to achieve certain performance metrics after some time as an active seller. Once you've reached these metrics, you can offer your customers one-day delivery and two-day delivery. Along with MFN, you can also use Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA. FBA lets you take advantage of Amazon's delivery services. With FBA, you send your inventory to Amazon fulfillment centers and let us pick, pack, and ship your orders. Using FBA also means Amazon will handle customer service and returns on your behalf. Additionally, FBA can help you expand your business by offering more value to your customers. When enrolled in FBA, your products receive Amazon Prime shipping, which can include same-day, one-day, and two-day delivery windows. Customers love fast, free shipping, and you can catch their eye with Prime badging on your FBA products. If you're a brand owner, FBA can also give you access to FBA Subscribe and Save, which lets customers sign up for recurring scheduled deliveries of your products. Enrolling in FBA can help streamline your fulfillment process and your business overall. You can use FBA for all, most, or some of your orders in the Amazon store. Understanding your shipping options is an important aspect of success. Be sure to choose the options that make the most sense for your business operations and your customers. This concludes our training on shipping options.